Today, we are designing how to design editorial magazine color styles. Open your image in Photoshop and first analyze its lighting and contrast because editorial color grading depends on a clean tonal base. Add a color lookup adjustment layer from the Adjustments panel and begin previewing LUT presets slowly. Editorial looks usually favor balanced contrast and slightly muted tones, so avoid overly dramatic presets. Choose one that enhances midtones and keeps highlights soft. Now, move to the Layers panel and lower opacity until the effect feels refined rather than obvious. Professional magazine edits always look in